Hello, Sarah. What are you doing right now?
Hello, Allie. I am using my phone and watching videos.
I see you every day. You are always on your phone.
Yes, I like my phone because it is very fun.
Can you tell me why you like your phone so much?
I like it because I can watch videos and talk to friends.
Do you only watch videos or do you do other things too?
I also chat with my friends and sometimes play games.
Do you use your phone for study and learning too?
Yes, sometimes I use my phone for study and schoolwork.
But I see you using your phone almost all the time.
I think I use it a lot, but not all the time.
In the morning, I see you using your phone in bed.
Yes, I like to start my day with my phone.
In the afternoon, you are still using your phone again.
Yes, I use it when I feel bored at home.
So
At
you use your
night,
phone
you
in the
also
morning,
use your phone
afternoon, and
before
night.
sleeping.
Yes, it helps me relax before I go to sleep.
So you use your phone in the morning, afternoon, and night.
Okay, maybe I use my phone too much every day.
Why do you not go outside and play in the park?
I feel tired, so I do not want to go outside.
But you are
But
not
you are
tired
not tired
when
when you use your phone
hours.
for hours.
That is different because the phone is easy and fun.
Playing outside is also fun and good for your health.
I do not think it is as fun as my phone.
You can come with me and we can play games together.
I think phone games are more interesting for me.
We can play football or run and enjoy fresh air outside.
I understand, but I still like my phone more right now.
Do your eyes hurt when you use your phone for a long time?
Do you also get headaches after long phone use?
Yeah, I do sometimes. Why?
Me too. We should take more breaks. Sometimes I feel pain in my head.
Yes, sometimes I feel pain in my head too.
Yes, sometimes I feel pain in my head too. Then why do you still use your phone so much every day? Why do you keep checking your phone?
I do not know, but I feel I cannot stop easily.
You should take a break and rest your eyes and mind. Sarah, maybe you should take a break.
Yes, maybe you are right, and I should take breaks.
You know, it's good to take breaks from that.
Yes, maybe you are right, and I should take breaks.
Sarah, maybe you should take breaks from your phone.
Yes, maybe you are right, and I should take breaks.
Let us play a game together and have some fun outside.
Okay, that sounds like fun.
Hey, Sarah,
Not now, Allie. I want to finish this video first.
but it's important. Later, I promise. Sarah, please listen to me carefully for a moment. Sarah, are you even listening?
Okay, Allie, I am listening to you now.
Great, so I have an idea. Using your phone too much is not good for your health.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, let's talk about it. Using your phone too much is not good for your health. You know, too much phone time isn't good for you.
Yes, I know that too much phone use is not good.
You can read a simple and interesting book at home.
Oh, that's a great idea. What book?
But Sarah, books are full of adventures.
I feel books are boring and not very interesting for me.
Not all books are boring. Some books are very fun to read.
Maybe, but I still do not like reading very much.
You can draw pictures and make beautiful art at home.
Really? That sounds fun.
You should try it. It's really fun.
That sounds a little interesting and fun to try.
We can also go outside and enjoy fresh air together.
Come on, Sarah. Let's go outside.
Maybe later I will think about going outside.
You always say later, but you never come with me. You say that, but you don't always go outside.
Yes, I say that, but I do not always go outside.
But you said you always go outside.
Yes, I say that, but I do not always go outside. Yes, I say that, but I do not always go outside.
But Sarah, you just said you go outside.
Yes, I say that, but I do not always go outside.
Mom is calling you from the kitchen right now.
Okay, I'm coming. What does Mom want me to do now? Sarah, please put your phone away and help me here.
Yes, Mom, I will help you and not use my phone now.
You are using your phone too much these days.
What? No, I'm not.
Yes, you are, sweetie.
Yes, Mom, I know that I use my phone a lot.
Please help me with this work in the kitchen now.
Okay, Mom, I will help you with everything.
Thank you, Sarah. I'd love your help.
See, Sarah? Now you are not using your phone anymore.
Yeah, I'm helping make dinner. It's more fun.
Sarah, can I use your phone?
Yes, Allie, I am not using my phone right now. After this work, you can relax and do something else.